Good afternoon, Charles Marks, CMA's Colonial Chevrolet in Chester. I've got a great work vehicle here for you now. Here it is. It is a 2025 Chevrolet Express van, short wheelbase, V8, 6.6 engine, double closed rear doors, nice rubber floor matting, shelves and drawer storage, locking storage, and a refrigerant bottle rack with a good protection door and rack between that and the front. Two side doors, great cockpit, backup camera in the rear view mirror. Call me, Charles Marks, Colonial Chevrolet. Thank you.